What is going on? I hope you guys had a great holiday and a happy new year. And I'm sure lots of you got some cool tech gifts this Christmas. But if you were lucky enough to get some gift cards or some cash and you're looking for some tech upgrades for 2022, well, I have what you need. Today we have the Keychron K8. So let's get started. So first of all, if you do not like then this keyboard is not for you. This is a loud keyboard. This is a mechanical keyboard. And personally, I love the clicky noise and it actually makes me want to type more. So that's one of the reasons I decided to pick this up. But if you're not into that noise, this is not for you. This is a pretty bulky keyboard. And it does have the aluminum frame around it, which makes it a little bit heavier. And I feel like it gives it a little bit of a premium touch, but for the most part, it's just plastic. And I do like the color scheme, so it's basically all black with a little bit of gray, and then that accent orange escape piece. So that's perfect for my setup. As for the battery, it can last about 240 hours without the backlight on. So you can get some time on this without needing to charge it, especially if you don't like the lights, then you'll be solid. Which brings me to the lighting. It does have full RGB lighting, so as you can see, you might not be able to tell, but it has a few different modes on there that you can choose for the RGB lighting. My favorite is, I don't know, again, if you can tell, but as you press the button, it actually lights up that key. So that's my favorite mode to have it in. Let me know down below in the comments if RGB lighting is cool or jewels, and if I should never do that again. So the price is gonna vary depending on which actual board you choose. You do have a few options, so a few different starting prices. You can choose to get it without the aluminum casing, which will cost you a little bit less. You can also choose not to get the RGB lighting. That'll make it a little bit less. But the one I chose, I'll leave a link in the description. It was actually $99. I got it on Amazon, and it has the full RGB lighting. It does have the aluminum case around it. Hopefully that'll help it last a little bit longer. So I am mainly just a Mac user, which is nice. This does have a switch, specifically for Mac. So I can just flip it on and then it connects right away. Just go to the Bluetooth settings and pair it up. But you can connect this to 3 devices. So if I were crazy enough to want to carry my keyboard to work, I could do that. And then I just switch it over to the PC side and I can connect and type away. So because this is a mechanical keyboard, if something does go wrong with one of the keys, you can actually just pop it out, and if you have a replacement, you can replace it or you can order one, and you won't have to throw away your whole keyboard, which is nice to have that option. So 2 little complaints I have about this keyboard, and I did research. It seems like other people have the same complaint. After about 10 minutes, this keyboard will disconnect. So if you're doing some editing and you come back and start typing, it actually has a little bit of a delay. It's not that big of a deal. It's about 3 seconds. But obviously, if you're thinking that you're typing and you're not, then you're gonna have to redo it again. Again, not a big deal, but just something to keep in mind. I do like the shape of it, but I do think it's a little bit too bulky. Not enough for me to switch to a different keyboard. I do like the look of it and I will keep this keyboard. This is more of a recommendation if you are thinking of picking this up. I haven't ordered mine, but I will. You'll probably want a wrist rest. So just typing on it all day, your wrists are gonna start to hurt. So you'll definitely want to get a wrist rest for this keyboard. So that is all I have for you today. The K8, again, I will leave the link in the description. And like I've mentioned, I will be posting more lifestyle vlogs, content creation, and more tech. So definitely hit the subscribe button and the like button if you don't mind. so that you don't miss any of those. I am working on a few projects, so those should be coming out soon. And as always, I appreciate you all, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.